Did you know that a single zipper malfunction can render a jacket useless? Zipper malfunctions are a common occurrence in our daily lives, often leaving us wondering how to fix them. In this video, we'll explore the world of quick DIY repairs and home fixes, with a focus on the humble zipper. From clothing to luggage, zippers play a crucial role in keeping our belongings secure. However, when they break, it can be frustrating and inconvenient. But don't worry, with a few simple tools and techniques, you can repair or replace a zipper in no time. So let's dive into the world of zipper repairs and discover the secrets of fixing a zipper like a pro. Imagine having the skills to repair a zipper in just a few minutes, without needing to take it to a professional. It's a skill that can save you time, money, and stress in the long run. And the best part is, it's not rocket science. Anyone can learn how to repair a zipper with a little practice. But before we begin, let's take a closer look at the mechanics of a zipper and how it works. A zipper is a type of fastening device that consists of interlocking teeth and a slider. When you pull the slider, the teeth engage and disengage, allowing you to open and close the zipper. However, when the zipper breaks, it can be difficult to determine the cause of the problem. But that's not the strangest part sometimes. A zipper malfunction can be caused by something as simple as a misplaced stitch. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. You need to look closely to spot the issue. And then something unexpected happened. I discovered that a zipper can be repaired with just a few simple tools and some basic sewing skills. It's a game changer for anyone who's ever struggled with a broken zipper. So how do you repair a zipper? Well, it's quite simple. You need to identify the problem, remove the old zipper, and install a new one. But wait until you hear what comes next. I'll show you a trick for repairing a zipper without removing it.
It's a time-saving hack that will make you wonder how you ever managed without it.
And then I realized that repairing a zipper is not just about fixing a broken fastening device. It's about learning a new skill and becoming more self-sufficient. It's like having a superpower. You can fix anything that breaks, from a zipper to a light fixture. But what does this mean for you? Well, it means that you can save money by fixing things yourself, rather than taking them to a professional. It's a cost-effective solution that can add up to big savings over time. And it's not just about the money. It's about the sense of accomplishment you get from fixing something yourself. It's a feeling that's hard to describe, but it's like a mix of pride and satisfaction. So, what are the key takeaways from this video? First, repairing a zipper is a skill that can be learned with practice. Second, it's a cost-effective solution that can save you money in the long run. And third, it's a great way to develop your problem-solving skills and become more self-sufficient. So if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like to explore further.